you are consistently applying for jobs but hearing nothing back from recruiters, the problem might lie within your resume. It needs to be ATS friendly and tailored to each job role you are applying for. ATS rejects up to 75% of qualified applicants before ever a human recruiter sees their resume. So let's fix that. But before that, let's first understand what actually ATS is. It's basically a software that companies use to manage job application. It scans your resume for particular keywords, specific formatting, and other criteria to determine whether you are a fit for a job role or not. If your resume isn't ATS friendly, the system might reject it outright. Now, let's dive in how to make your resume ATS friendly in 5 simple steps. Number 1. Use relevant keywords. I personally cannot emphasize enough the importance of using right keywords in your resume. Now incorporate these keywords in your resume naturally. Use them throughout your resume, especially in the sections like summary, work experience, and skills. Number 2. Simple formatting. Use simple and clean layouts, not the graphics or tables. The ATS needs to read your resume top to bottom, left to right without getting confused by the visuals. Now, this may look visually appealing and good, but these decorative or not so common fonts may confuse ATS. And in reality, ATS can struggle to read the content between them. You can actually stick to professional templates, use bullet points and simple lists to separate information in between your resume. Number 3. Use standard fonts. This is one of the most crucial steps in creating an ATS-friendly resume. Use standard fonts like Arial, Times New Roman or Calibri. This will ensure that your resume is rendered by the ATS correctly, and it will also be easier for the recruiters to read your resume. Fonts that are less common or decorative may look good in your resume, but in reality, ATS may not read it properly, and this will lead to your information being misunderstood and important information being missed. Number 4. Clear section headings. Imagine you are trying to sort out a big pile of papers. If all the papers have clear labels like bills, receipts or letters, it would be super easy for you to sort them out. The same thing applies for your resume as well. Make sure you are using straightforward and simple headings like personal information, contact information, summary, objectives or key skills. Nothing fancy, just pure information. Last but not the least, save your resume in the right format. Always submit your resume in the document or PDF format. It is one of the most fundamental steps in creating an ATS-friendly resume. These are one of the most universally accepted format by the applicant tracking system, and it will also ensure that your resume's formatting is logged and is consistent across all the systems. Now, I completely get it that doing all these things manually can be tedious, and honestly, who get the time to do all these things? That's why I have got a powerful AI resume builder for you that's gonna handle all these hassle. All you have to do is head to careerflow.ai and sign up. Click on the resume builder and upload your old resume. Enter the job title and description you are looking forward to apply for. The resume builder gives you a resume analysis score and provides valuable suggestions on how to make your resume stronger and more effective. You can choose from the professional templates to make your resume more polished. The link to this tool is in the description box. Do check it out, and if you have any questions regarding resume, drop them in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.